So hello guys, right, if you wish to learn this, please stay tuned. First of all, we're going to learn this, so we're going to need to learn this side stall. So this side stall is awesome, alright, because almost makes your nunchuck look as straight as possible, yeah? So this side stall is very, very important to this. Next of all, once you've got your side stalls, then what you're going to do is when you move it that way and then you move it that way, what I want you to do is just lift up. So you see how I've got my fingers here underneath the chuck, right? So when I lift it up, I'm going to turn my hand up, lift it up, and then turn my hand down to palm grasp it, okay? So go here, here. So I'll show you that in slow-mo. Once you've got that, what I need you to do now, okay, is when you stall it this way and you raise this up, I don't want you to catch it with this hand. I want you to have this arm lower than the move. So you can bring your arm up like so. 1, 2, raise it up. So next of all, what you've got to do is when this comes up, you'll need to turn your hand from facing down, go anti-clockwise and face it up. Okay, that will cause the nunchuck to rotate around your wrist. So that will look like this. Right, from here now, what you want to do is you want to basically, almost like you've got the nunchuck like this, and you're going to draw circles with this. This is going to get this aerial going. From here now, I want you to flick your wrist, but at the same time, I want you to open this up. And that is going to cause it to go in the air, and then you're going to catch it with the opposite hand. So I threw it with my left, and I'm catching it with my right. From here, now, we're going to point this in and clutch it. So I hope this helps you out. If you got anything from this, you know, please consider subscribing, because I do this for free, you know what I mean? I don't ask for anything apart from your support, you know, so it's absolutely amazing. And I'll see you again soon, guys.